Hello YouTube, this is Rickadil here again with part 11 of my series. So let's jump right in. On the last video I left out I think one because I ran out of time. So here we go. On this one we have, let's start from the back here, I have a Rubik's clock. Rubik's clock, that's what it is. If you don't know what it looks like, you're trying to get all of them up to say 12 o'clock. So it should be like this. And they all should say 12 o'clock on both sides. We got two Rubik's 15 puzzles. And here's the other one. I'll have these two top spins still in the box. Paid $1.98 for that one. That'll be a thrift store. And there's another one. You can see them. Rubik's dice. Here's what they look like. And the idea is to get them all the same color, all the dots, either all white or all red. I remember doing it once when I was like in high school, but a long time ago. Another one comes with this little tool here and stand. I don't know, I think it's just a tool because sometimes they get stuck, so you have to pop them in. Sometimes they get stuck like that and they don't want to go down, so you just, and it pops it in and then you can move them around. Rubik's Pyramid. The older version came out in, I'm not sure, looks like maybe 1986. Don't know, don't quote me on that one. Alright, I have a Alexander Star. You can see it. There you go. Old one, still in the box. Have an inversion puzzle. Try to get all the red on the outside, but there's blue on the inside. Try to get all the blue on the outside to invert it. And then you go back again. And so there's 351 trillion different combinations. So I think on the Rubik's Cube there's 43 trillion. No, 23 quadrillion? Yeah, so yeah. Not more than a Rubik's Cube. Sorry about that. Alright. I have a Wienercon's platypus puzzle with the look like the Beatles on there, and other stinkers. I guess there's Elton John, and sorry, but I don't know who that is. Okay, to Sonic Conundrum. Sonic Conundrum. If you can see it, I have two of those. A SpongeBob Nickelodeon Rubik's Cube. Another penguin, female. She's still in the box. An old Ultimate Cube from 1982. That was also still packaged. A Rubik's 5x5. A Sprite Slide puzzle. By the same company, Coca-Cola Fun Turns. A K-Brain 2x2 brain puzzle. A Gordian's Knot. A Magic Domino puzzle. Made by Poly Toys. Some kind of churn the letter puzzle, I guess. Make words out of it. Word spin, I think it was called. Oh, there it is, yeah. Word spin. A keychain Mickey Mouse cube. Just got that in today. a flag ball. The lights don't go out before I finish this video. Tetris cube. An old PG Company puzzle keychain cube. Ultraman 2x2s. A little thing of a boat 2x2. A 1x1x3. A Muppets. Sesame Street. McDonald's. Huckleberry Hound, I think. What's that one? A 2x2 Asterix. Pretty heavy. Oh, another 1x1x3 Sesame Street, another Sesame Street one. Puzzle Place, same thing. Just moving around. Couple of puzzle spins. I think this is an Escher puzzle. A larger one, puzzle spin. That one's still sealed. Bees, cats, birds, fish. Okay, there's a cat. There's a bee. Okay, some tile puzzles, vintage tile puzzles. Now these two Rubiks are like extra thick. Let's see if I can find a corner. But there you go, you can see how the corners are. A lot thicker than the regular Rubik's Cubes. Almost like a deluxe cube, which I have. Rubik's Deluxe, there's one Rubik's Deluxe, and another Rubik's Deluxe. And another kind of Rubik's Deluxe, but again, this one doesn't say Rubik's on there. But very thick, and you can see by the yellowing of the white tiles that it's pretty old. And there's another Rubik's Cube Deluxe, blue though. And then again another tile, thicker one with real thick cubes. Alright, well that is it for that shelf. That is my second to the top shelf. Well, really the top shelf, but then I have the top of the shelf. And the very top part, I still have that one to do. And then I will start on my big bookcase, the large dark bookcase. If you see my other videos, you'll know what I'm talking about. But thanks for watching, and y'all have a great afternoon. Bye bye.